We're on the north clean out by the women's bathroom. Let me take a look down line and see what we can see. So those are the two toilets coming in. You can see all the debris laying on the bottom there. That's going to hold up paper. Alright, then it heads. Alright, there's been a remodeling there. See, it looks like PVC. So you should know where that is, since you probably did the remodeling. Well, all that paper's sitting there. Paper and scale deposits. That's blocked right there, 42 feet. See, that looks like threads to me. Looks like somebody dropped something in there with threads. I could be wrong. But yeah, see, there's a piece of a clean-out plug there. See it? I tell you what, can you turn on a sink or something? Maybe it'll help us move. Put some water in there. Alright, go turn that water back off. We're going to let this go down so we can see what that is. Alright, so that looks like a brass clean-out plug that somebody let go down the sewer pipe. So I'm afraid to try to push that too further. It looks like we might have a combination fitting right there and going to the right. So I'm just going to go locate where this is. I don't want to push it in any further. Might have to dig that up. Let me pause this. And it's at a bend right here. See, there's a bend?
Yeah.
And I don't want to try to push it around the bend because I think either it's going to get stuck or I'm going to get stuck.
Yeah.
And I don't want to create an emergency. All right, so we got that located in the delicatessen area, I think it is, right in front of a freezer or storage refrigerator or some kind of fixture there. It's about 27 inches deep. And I think you're going to have to dig it up there. Take that piece out of there.